In today's video, let's learn all-time favorite veg starter and an easy snack recipe. One starter that gets ordered in restaurants more often and loved equally by veg and non-veg lovers. Let's make crispy cauliflower 65 or gobi 65 restaurant style recipe. Hello and welcome back to Mano Cooks. I'm your Mano and let's get started. For this, let's take a small cauliflower and cut it into medium-sized florets. This is how big I have cut the pieces into. Now let's boil water to blanch the gobi first. Take a pan and to that add water and bring it to a vigorous boil. Once the water starts boiling, add half teaspoon salt to that and now turn off the stove and add the cauliflower pieces to this and let them be in the boiling water for exactly 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's drain the water off and let's keep that aside. Now our cauliflower is blanched and ready. Now step number 1, to make the cauliflower more flavorful, we'll prepare a masala mix to coat it. For that, let's take a bowl and to that, let's add pepper powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon each, followed by salt half teaspoon, and add 1 teaspoon chili sauce or chili garlic sauce, whichever you have handy. After that, let's add juice of half a lemon. Let's mix this nicely along with 1 tablespoon water. Do not add more water at this stage. Now let's add the blanched cauliflower florets without any water and lightly mix that with a spoon so that the masala is well coated on all the florets. Please do try this step as this step really makes the cauliflower more flavorful and you'll definitely thank me for this tip. Let's marinate this for 10 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes right now. Let's take the cauliflower florets in a different bowl without the water. As you can see, they have soaked the masala and salt very well. Let's keep this aside. Now step number 2, let's prepare crispy batter to coat the cauliflower pieces. To the left out marination from step 1, let's add quarter teaspoon pepper powder and to that add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Along with that, let's add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add few finely chopped curry leaves along with 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Now finally, let's add a pinch of food color. This is optional. If you want, you can add that. With that, quarter teaspoon salt and quarter teaspoon baking powder. Let's quickly mix all this. And now let's add 1/3 cup to half cup maida or all-purpose flour followed by quarter cup to 1/3 cup cornstarch or corn flour. After adding the flour, add water little at a time and make a lump-free medium thick batter. Here I have added totally half cup and 2 tablespoon water to make the batter. Remember to make the batter not too runny and not too thick. Please refer to the video for the right consistency. Now our batter for crispy gobi fry is ready. Let's keep this aside and heat oil on medium to medium high flame to fry them. Once oil is hot, take cauliflower florets one at a time and dip them nicely in the batter from all the sides and gently slide that in hot oil. Repeat the same with few pieces as you see in the video. Please do not crowd the pan. Remember to add only few pieces every time and fry them in oil until they are crisp and start floating on top. Once fried well, let's take this out in a bowl lined with tissue paper. Cauliflower fry or gobi fry made with my simple steps and tips will be really more flavorful and addictive. Repeat the same with all the pieces. So did you see how the batter is evenly sticking to the cauliflower and they are crisp and fried to perfection? So please do follow exactly my recipe to make this in the holiday season. Crispy and mouth-watering gobi 65 or cauliflower 65 is ready to serve. Enjoy with a dash of lime on top. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Mano Cooks and also click on the bell button. Also click on any of the video on the screen to watch them right now. Thanks a lot for watching. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.